welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mudhoni Karaoke back with another lit video. Thank you so much guys for joining me. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't, please subscribe. It really supports my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, asante sana for your love and for your support. We are almost at 200 subscribers, you guys. Share this video, subscribe, like, do all that good jazz. So today we are making pancakes. Before I start talking a lot, so let's get into the video. Okay, so now for the ingredients we have, this is half a cup of warm milk, some sugar, this is 10 ml oil, all-purpose flour, this is baking soda, baking powder, 1 egg, and of course 1 ripe banana. So those are the ingredients, so let's start mixing. And so guys, we are done. Just look at how beautiful these things are. I already took a bite. As you can see, I already took a bite, but why not try it? Kwanza with this syrup, I don't know if you guys can see. I kid you not, guys, I kid you not, this is one of the best recipes I've ever made. Like, hands down. The recipes I've done, they're good, they're really good, but this right here is perfection, you guys. Perfection. If you love pancakes, everyone loves pancakes, just try and make this ones. Oh my god. And with the sauce, so if you guys told me put that sauce on top, drizzle it on top of this. If you would like to know what it was or the recipe of it, please comment down below, or you can you can DM me on my Instagram or my Facebook. You can messenger me there. You can also snap me on my Snapchat account. If you have my WhatsApp number, do the same. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please, 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 you guys, please subscribe. Thank you. Share this video. Share. You see this beautiful face, this beautiful pancakes. Needs to get to 200 subscribers before I start talking a lot. Bye guys, see you next time.